So yes. Whoever stays on the bar the longest wins.
Literally nothing happens. Just don't be a fucking idiot and you won't die. Oh.
Leafy!
You're biting my butt!
Oops.
And his name is John C.
Hold up.
Game over here!
Only one of us can win.
You're wrong!
The two of you both win.
Wait, we both get the island?
No!
You get nothing! You lose! Good day, sir!
No, that's not the ending, but trust me, you'll wish it was.
You wouldn't do that. Your tiny, teeny, tiny little brain wouldn't allow such a
This is Sparta!
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Be more careful. Pew, pew, pew.
Are you crazy?
Don't keep me underwater for 30 seconds.
There's a leak in the boat!
Nestle Crush!
Blocky!
Hey folks, viewer mail time again.
What?
Look out! A tree!
What?
Holy sh!
Ho?
Hold up!
Are you fucking...
I wonder what's for dinner.
Dinner.